reveal. But first, let's take a look back at how all of this got started. So I think for about 8 years I've wanted a garden house, and I wanted to be able to pot plants. I want to be able to sit in it and read a magazine. I want to be able to entertain, and I want it to also use as a greenhouse. So about a year ago we staked out where I wanted it to go. This used to be a playground area for the kids, and since they've outgrown it, we've gotten rid of that. And you know, for one thing or another, it keeps getting put on the back burner. Other things are more of a priority to fix than our old 1820 farmhouse. So this summer, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen quick. Here is my design inspiration. I put together this board, and I've collected pictures from magazines and from Pinterest and from online. And this is my color scheme is gonna be a dark green with this light mossy green color. And it's all going to be put together with refurbished windows.
We used a piece of plywood as our straight edge. So we would put the plywood into the corner and then put the rope right over the plywood. So that's how you know it was going to stay exactly straight. So we're at 23 feet going one way, 14 feet the other way. And the best way to check your numbers is to do the diagonals. So you want to go from one diagonal to the other and make sure they both match.
Of course, typical day starting a project, it's raining, but we had all of the material delivered today for the garden house, and we're thrilled. So we've covered it up in a tarp just to keep it from warping and all of the rainy elements and everything. And all of our concrete also was delivered. So I'm gonna cover that up with the tarp, and then we'll be good to go.
I was able to sneak away for a quick golf tournament yesterday, but paying the price today, can't find the push cart again, and now we got some windows going up. But we're getting this much closer to back to getting the golf.
We have had a productive weekend here at the garden house, and I am so excited I can't even see straight. We are halfway done. We have in 8 windows. We have 8 more to go. We got all of the footings poured. Everything is level, but we do have to dig down just a little bit more. But
All right, first shingles are going up here. We lucked out with a friend of ours had some extra shingles, so we got a good deal. And these things are going to look awesome. They're going to look like slate. This piece kind of looks like a boat maybe, but here we go. We'll give it a shot. See what happens.
another huge accomplishment that I got done this week is I laid the brick floor. Now we're caught up to this week. What we did for episode 10, we finished digging out all of the dirt right here, we finished painting, and we staged the house. So here we go. Let's see what happens on episode 10, and you get to see the reveal of Brooke's garden house.
Well, we started with this guy a few months back, and now he's back to help finish the job off. All right, still finding bricks in the ground here. Just had Big Blue come over and scrape some more dirt here for the patio off the back of the garden house. And there's some more bricks just buried in the ground out here. So we'll be using these, that's for sure. winds. Little rocky right in the spot. Might have to leave that guy there. Alright, got the last bit of primer done today. Got to paint. And then we should be good to go on the outside. A little bit of work to do on the inside. But just the primer alone makes it look almost 100 times better. All right, we're out here painting up the last of the few windows. Beautiful Saturday here in November. And some of the chickens are coming by to check on the house. Hopefully they eat any of the bugs that are trying to get in there.
How you doing, honey?
But we have about 1.5 windows left. And then I think we're gonna be done with the windows. Just scrape them and clean them.
Thank God.
Hey girls. Oh, she's going in. Checking it out. All right, we're getting the baseboards done on the inside today. So we're going to go ahead and put in some plywood. We cut down to about 10 inches tall. And we're gonna rock it out. Nail it right in. It's already painted. And we'll see how it looks. Just like that, the baseboard's in. Looks good.
Great.
How many times do you think I hit my head in that chandelier today? Still swinging a little bit. There'll be a table there, so hopefully I never hit it again. All right, going back up, just bringing a sink we've had in our garage for probably almost the full 10 years we lived here, going up to the garden house.
For years, I have thought about this garden house and how I'm going to lay it out. From the table, to the sink area, to the potting bench, to the sitting area. I have thought about it, and I've put so much time and energy into it, and I love it. I think it turned out really, really well. I want this to be a relaxing place. I want it to be a potting bench area, a garden place, just a place of solace and entertaining, and a place to come and relax and entertain. I'm able to have a sink area, which will be in the spring. I'll be able to hook up the water, which is amazing. I've had that sink for almost 10 years. The shutters are original to our house. Thank you for watching Brooke's Garden
and I'm able to
House.
celebrate
Today
this
is
with
the
dear
semi-reveal.
friends.
We've got some dear friends here to celebrate, so cheers.
Cheers!
We've made it through 2020, and we've made it through this build.
All right, here we are, coming down to the end. Got every single window painted. All the trim is done. All the siding is on. We are missing one window right there, but that will get done this week. We got a little patio out here. That's gonna get finished, complete, but as of right now, Brooke's garden house, there she is. All right, finally found them. Here they are. Got an early tea time today.
Thank you so much for watching this series of Brooke's Garden House. This journey has been amazing and my dreams have finally come true, and I hope you enjoy it. It will always be on my blog under the Garden House tab. If you missed an episode or if you want to re-watch, that would be wonderful. But thanks so much and enjoy Farmhouse 1820, and please subscribe to my blog if you haven't already and to my YouTube channel.